We're here in the coastlines of Sibulan, no? This is, I think, protected wall being built here. So we're in Sibulan in Negros Oriental. This is the town adjacent to Dumaguete City. We've rented a car as usual, part of our property search. This is yung port nila, no? This is Sibulan Port. Maganda din pagkagawa, oh. Very high. I think 4 to 5 meters na yung seawall. So Sibulan is where the airport is present. The present airport of Dumaguete actually is in Sibulan, and they're planning to transfer the sa Bakong, no, on the other side of Dumaguete. Diversion road mamaya, no, to check also some listings there. Ito yung airplane. So after days of heavy rains here because of Typhoon Tino, balik ulit yung araw. Balik ulit. We have rented yung Vios, no? Favorite car ko sa mga property search ko. Very reliable, matipid din. I think that ditong area na to, this is tip of Cebu. Tama ba? Tip of Cebu, yung Santander. Yung orientation, because we're in Negros. Baka yan, no? Okay, salam natin the coastlines here in Sibulan, Negros Oriental.